Good morning. I'm on my way to Harrison's. It's about 6:30. He starts serving breakfast at 7. Can't go anywhere on the trail until 9 anyway because the ferry doesn't take us across. It doesn't start until 9. So just kind of taking my time getting over to Harrison's. I'll eat breakfast there, hang out there until we're done, and we'll catch the ferry. We're going to go into Kennebec, make a quick small resupply, probably get our lunch to go. There's a place there that makes pulled pork sandwiches, and I'll have that for lunch, which will be nice, a change of pace. And then we'll be on our way. We're going to try to do about 19 miles, get over one mountain a day, and then we'll be done. So I'm hiking next to a river this morning, trying to make it to Harrison's. So we'll talk to you later. Okay, this is the Upper Falls. And I'm going to go to the lower falls and try to take a picture. And there is Harrison's Hunting Lodge. Here's the bridge you got to cross. So go up there and get some breakfast. We'll talk to you later. This is the inside of Harrison's Hunting Lodge, the dining area. Yeah. So, porch. See the Upper Falls there. Here's the, I don't know, there's no lights in here, but here's the lounge area. Big sled hanging from the roof. A big moose. Billiards table, some bearskin rugs. Pretty cool. Old wood burning stove to keep it heated in here. Excellent. All right. There's the kitchen in there. Okay, this is the bridge we have to cross. Go for it, Wilson.
I tried.
All right. It's nice knowing you. I'm going to record me going across. Mm-hmm. Okay. My turn. Just when you're done, just hit that button right there.
Mm-hmm.
I should have left my case with me. Okay, we left Harrison's. I had breakfast. I forgot to take a picture of my breakfast. But I'm here at the Kennebec River crossing. If you can look over there, you can see the canoe that ferries us over. And we'll be back on the trail. This was closed at 9 o'clock because of the rain and thunder that came through. So we had to wait until all that stopped. It's about 6 minutes to 11 right now. And we're going to try to get as far as we can today. I don't know how far that'll be because the rain and lightning, we didn't want to hike in it today. So we stayed at Harrison's after we ate. And it's sprinkling a little bit right now. So, but when he comes back over, we'll be ferried over and we'll be on our way. So, catch you down the trail. Okay, hello. I'm here at Pleasant Pond. You see behind me, the Pleasant Pond shelter is about 2 tents back up in the woods. I came down here and I bathed off in the lake real nice, beautiful. Right now there's a warm breeze. It's kind of real cloudy and overcast right now. We're supposed to get some rain. Don't know when, but only did about 9.8 today because of the rain. It was off and on all morning. I left the shelter about 6:30 and got the Harrisons, and we ate breakfast, which was fantastic breakfast. And then right after we finished our breakfast, it opened up and started thundering and raining, and so we stayed there until about 9:30, quarter to 10, and then it let up, opened, the sun came out a little bit, so we made our way to the Kennebec River crossing. And once we got through the Kennebec River crossing, we went into Caratunk, and it's where it started raining again right as we arrived. And then we stayed at Caratunk and had lunch there, and left Caratunk a little bit after 1 o'clock, and then we got here, I guess, a little bit after about 3:30, and been here ever since. And did a few issues like filtered some water and washed myself off and washed my clothes off, and now I'm letting them hang out to dry down here by the windy dock and doing those things. And tomorrow we're going to try, me and Wilson are going to try to get a big day in and get to the next shelter, so we only have to do 10 miles into Monson the next day. So that's the plan. And this is Pleasant Pond. So we'll catch you tomorrow.